Bago na ang CIMB Bank app. Kung dati, digital bank lang siya, ngayon marami nang nadagdag na mga new features. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the new features of CIMB app. So now tignan natin ang bagong features ng new CIMB app. So ito yung gusto ko, mas madaling mag-login ngayon kasi pwede ka nang mag-login using your biometrics. Ayan. So, pag nag-login ka sa app, so it will bring you to the dashboard. So, dito sa part na to, nandito ang total balance. Ito naman yung mga iba't ibang transactions na pwede mong gawin within the app. Sa Accounts tab naman, so makikita mo yung details ng iyong account. Dito sa CIMB, nakapark ang ibang emergency fund ko kasi mas mataas ang interest rate kaysa sa traditional bank. So now, tignan natin yung mga iba't ibang transactions na pwede mong gawin within the CIMB app. Okay, so yung una is yung cash in. Alright, so mas madali na mag-cash in ngayon compared before, nung bago pa lang yung CIMB kasi pwede ka na mag-cash in online. So sa ngayon, ito pa lang yung mga available banks kung saan ka pwede mag-cash in online. So wala pa dito yung BPI and Union Bank. And then you can also cash in over the counter. So 7-Eleven, pwedeng over the counter banks. Yung bayad center, hindi pa siya available sa ngayon. Next is yung transfer. So, pwede kang mag-transfer ng fund within CIMB and also to other banks. So, pwede ka na mag-transfer to all major banks, other digital banks, e-wallet, at sa ibang rural banks sa probinsya. And yeah, so you can also buy loans. You can also pay bills. Yun lang, medyo limited pa yung sa bills. Hindi pa available yung iba like governments and airline. And yung sa credit card naman, tatlong banks pa lang ang available. So yung BPI, Equicom, Savings Bank, and Metrobank. And if you have concerns or questions, so i-click mo lang itong question mark icon. Pwede mo silang i-contact by phone or via email. So dito sa help center. And yes, so pwede ka ring mag-loan. So mabilis lang ang approval if you meet the minimum requirements. So dalawa yung klase ng loan nila, yung Revi Credit and personal loan. Take note lang ang laki ng monthly interest rate. So 1 to 5% per month. So depending on the credit score of the account holder. Malaki yung fees. So I don't recommend yung feature na ito unless siguro need mo talaga ang money. Take note lang na yung interest rates na nabanggit dito ay subject to 20% tax. Thank you for watching.